What's up, y'all? All right, cool. So we got the red light of death. So a couple simple fixes, okay? You had a power surge, internet stopped working. There's a red button in the back. Press it one time. If that fixes it, then you're in business. Sometimes these things, the software fails on it, and you'll have to reconnect it. All right. Secondly, let's say you have a pet rabbit, cat, dog, squirrel, turtle, whatever. If it chooses cable, you might as well go ahead and call 288-2020 and have them send a tech. You cannot find these cables anywhere. You're not going to put a little piece of tape or some electrical tape. It's not going to work because this is a fiber line and it is very sensitive. It's about as sensitive to my feelings after a heavy weekend. No, I'm playing. Let's say none of that happened inside. You don't have any pets or anything. You decide to plant a garden next to the meter. First off, please don't plant a garden next to the meter because there's electricity, gas, phone line, fiber lines, all that stuff. These things are buried about 6 inches. I believe gas is 18 inches and electricity is 36 inches. So please be careful. 811 before you do any kind of digging. Usually on the easement side, all the way to the front of the home or the front of the yard is where the lines are usually buried at. Usually, sometimes they cut through. So let's say you don't have anything buried out there. It's all electrical and telephone lines, and it's ran through the air. Or the poles. You had a storm yesterday. That reset didn't work. You did hear a branch fall down. All right, that's my sound effects for the branch falling down. Okay, so I'm sorry. You go outside, you see a limb on the ground, and you got a couple wires on the ground. You might have your cable and your fiber line. You go ahead and just press that 288-2020 and have them send a technician out. Sometimes that happens. Those are the few easy things you can do to test out and see what's going on with the internet. Just a quick and easy way to get your internet up and running. Some news about these gateways. This is no longer the newest gateway. They're actually coming out with something new. I believe it's a 640 BGW, and it could have a cellular service built into it for backup. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming. But internet should not go out just because of whatever. Sometimes you have to jolt it, which is fine. Power cycling is fine. But most of the stuff isn't a simple phone line that you can just connect two pieces of wire together. These things that have to be created. You got to create inside of these things, and that is a very delicate little piece of equipment right there. That's why it's covered up. You can't even see it, but yeah. Plugs in. Hold on a second. Listen to that sound. Oh man, that's beautiful. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.